a 1974 Rickman Dunstall CR750, recently serviced, original factory condition, and at no reserve.
Right, no reserve. How about a bit here? Give me 5,000, let's go. Now, $2,500 bid, put up $2,500 bid. Now, 5,000 bid, $2,500 bid, 5,000 bid, 5. Now, 75. Bandy gets 75. Now, 5 here. Now, 75 bid. Now, $1,000 bid, $7,500 bid. Now 10, and a net down to the binder. Hold out. Now 12.5. I'm at $10,000 bid at 12.5. Now 10, 12.5. Now 10, 10, 12.5 to bar. $10,000 bid at 12.5 to bar bid at 10,000. You're out, man. $10,000 bid at 12.5. 12.5. $10,000 bid at 12.5. $10,000 bid at 12.5 to buy. $10,000 bid at 12.5 to won $11,000. 12. $12,000 bid at 12. Now 12 to buy. $11,000 bid at 12. 12, 12, 12 to buy. $11,000 bid at 12. Internet. $11,000 bid at 12. Last call, internet. Last call, everybody on the floor. $11,000 bid at 12. Sold, man, $11,000.